So these are the nails I had, and they stayed on for about 3 to 4 weeks. I'm going to start by taking them off using my nail clipper and cuticle remover. I usually start with this method to remove as much as possible, and then whatever remains on my nails, I suck it off with acetone. But these nails were lifting already and they all came out pretty easily and popped off, so I didn't need to soak them. Next thing I do is clip my nails. I usually don't wear long nails or acrylics that often anymore, and I don't even know why I got them last time, but yeah, I'm just gonna like cut my nails to like a very short natural length. After that, I use a cuticle pusher and cuticle clipper to remove my cuticles. It is very important to remove your cuticles if you want your gel manicure to last and to look as professional as possible. You need to be very patient doing it also to avoid cutting your skin or hurting yourself. It can be a little tricky or hard to do, but it's totally okay. Okay, now that I am done with that, I am going to proceed to file my nails. The nail file that I have is on one side is 100 and the other side is 180. So I'm gonna use the 100 side just to have a smooth surface to work with. Then I use a nail buffer and I smooth out the surface even more. And then I clean up my nails with alcohol and a tissue paper. I use tissue because cotton gets stuck everywhere and then it looks ugly when you paint your nail. And I don't have any lint-free pads, so tissue just works for me and that's what I use. After that, I'm going to use my base coat. I got these and basically everything I'm using here on Amazon, and I'm gonna link it all on the description box just in case any of you guys need it. Everything was pretty affordable, so yeah. And yeah, I don't have any problems with these top coats and these polishes because I don't know, even though they're affordable, they still work pretty fine to me. After applying the base coat, I cure my nails for 45 seconds under the UV light. And then I applied my gelish structure gel. So this gel helps my nails to be extra strong. So if you have thin nails and they tend to break a lot just like me, this should help. Like, it's very thick and it just gives your nails like a really strong layer that protects them from breaking and all that stuff. I applied a very thin layer because this product is very sticky and it takes about 2 minutes to cure under the light. So the next step is to apply a gel polish. I had a hard time picking a color, but I went for this pink from this tiny mini gel polish collection that I got from Amazon. The bottles are pretty small, but they work for me since I only do nails on myself. Yeah, they came in a pack of 6, I believe, I'm not sure, and they are pretty like thick. The consistency of the polish itself, it's pretty thick, so I made sure the layers are pretty thin as well, and I cure each layer for 2 seconds. I did 2 layers. When you do your nail, when you paint your nails, you want to make sure you pay attention to your application because it can get all over the nail. So you want to make sure you clean up the sides before you cure your nail, or you're just gonna have gel polish all over your skin. And I heard that it can create allergic reactions. To finish up, I am going to apply the top coat, which is from the same brand as the base coat. They came in the same pack, and I'm gonna cure it for 45 seconds. Then I'm gonna take some more tissue paper with alcohol, and I'm gonna wipe the top of my nail just to make sure I clean it up and I take out the sticky residue on top of it. And lastly, I'm just gonna put some cuticle oil all over my cuticle area, and I'm gonna massage it. The cuticle oil, I got it from CVS, I believe, and but I'm gonna try to find a link for it online. So guys, this is my final result. I know it seems like a lot, but believe me, it is super easy. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Make sure to leave a comment telling me how do you think I did with the polish and the whole process in general. If you already got this far in the video, you might as well just subscribe. I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe to my channel, and also if you like this video so I know what type of content you guys want. See you in my next video, guys. Bye. Mwah.